person. According to the company book, the full permission, go to www.croatian.com/anti-piracy. Who knows?
Ajde, hoćeš is.
You have 5 chances. Turn off your TV. You didn't turn off your TV. Your phone is good. Please now turn off your TV. Seriously? You did do this one. Come on. Alright, 3 chances. You can do it. Turn off your TV. Please. Are you kidding me? You didn't use this once again. Really? You're making this man feel like us. We're getting mad. 2 more chances. Turn off your TV right now.
All right, you're really starting to get on our last nerves. This is your last chance. I swear. If you don't turn off the TV in 5 seconds, you're not going to win.
That's it. You asked for this.